Malolele guys, my name is Nathaniel Debo, aka NT Got Beats. I'm a music producer, singer, songwriter, engineer, and welcome to Fresh Beats. We're here at Thompson Park, just a local park down my road. Beat I'm going for is probably like Afro. I've never done this before, so let's go see what we can find. On a stick, let's go. Also try to record the echo. Found a pole. All the same. So I like the tone of it, like that metallic sound. I reckon we would need like a shaker kind of sound. Any sounds with like notes behind them? So like a marimba sound or like a mallet, some kind of bell. I don't know what else. Let's go to that rugby pole over there. Yeah, we'll use this. We've got our 5 sound bites, guys. Let's go back to the studio, see what we can make.
Anywhere you're from, go and make it. Even if you're coming out the basement.
We're back in the studio. We got the sound bites from the park. Let's make a beat.
We always patterned up, never basic. So I raise a glass to myself in celebration.
We basically just hit a stick across a rugby pad. Sounds a bit like a snare. This is a slide at the park. Kind of like rim shot or tom maybe. Probably my favorite sound from the park, so I'll chuck that as a shaker somewhere. Basically just a pole on one of the slides. And soundbite number 5. Hey guys, so we finished the beat. We chucked all our soundbites in, put some effects on them, all of that stuff. So yeah, have a listen. Let us know what you guys think. Now that's a fresh beat.